Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate GCP Cloud Logging filters for faster troubleshooting. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate GCP Cloud Logging filters for faster troubleshooting, start by navigating. Once there, ensure you are logged into your Google Cloud account. In the top left corner, click on the navigation menu icon. From the menu, scroll down to the Operations section. Under Operations, select Logging and then click on Logs Explorer. You will be directed to the Logs Explorer interface. In the Logs Explorer, locate the search bar at the top. To filter logs, enter specific criteria based on the resource type or log name. You can also add additional filters for severity levels to focus on critical logs. If you wish to filter by time range, click on the time selector in the top right corner. Adjust the time range to suit your troubleshooting needs. After setting the appropriate filters, click on the Run Query button. Review the results displayed in the Logs panel. To further analyze the logs, you can expand individual log entries. This will provide you with more detailed information about each entry. If needed, you can refine your filters further to narrow down your results. Once you've identified the specific logs relevant to your troubleshooting, take notes on key findings. For ongoing issues, consider saving your filter settings for future use. To save a filter, click on the Save Filter option above the search bar. Name your filter and provide a brief description, then click Save. Now, revisit your saved filters whenever you need to troubleshoot more efficiently. With these filters in place, you'll be able to quickly identify and resolve issues within GCP Cloud Logging. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.